Developed by the prestigious Harvard Business School in 1908, the Harvard-style teaching method has proved to be a successful way of increasing interaction between the students and the lecturer. The Harvard arrangement can incorporate either a standard auditorium or lecture theatre chair or our Inova turn and learn seating. Early consultation during the design process is highly recommended to provide the best solution for the client. We have now successfully completed a number of Harvard-style seating projects at leading UK universities where we provided a solution to both the client and architect running the project from concept through to completion. A comprehensive range of high-quality designer fabrics, finishes and accessories are available to allow you to create the perfect look for your Harvard-style lecture theatre seating.